Hello class. The scene of the Elephant Man with the music of Adagio for strings made me feel very sad. I don't know exactly what happened. Does he die? It looks like he's missing his love. Maybe she's dead. For me, it feels like he's going to die in his sleep and he will meet his love in eternity. The second scene of Platoon is full of sounds that makes me feel very tense. Bomb exploding, the tension of the voices of the soldiers, the sound of the helicopter. The scene in general makes me feel upset. That all the soldiers make me feel upset because all the soldiers cannot escape in the helicopter and they finish dying.